Uh, I can't be here this afternoon. I have a doctor's appointment, so I had to leave a little bit early. So I thought I'd just jump on and make a quick video of while I'm gone, this is what you're doing in class. So today the plan is that you guys have a quiz. So you have a quiz about the cell and homeostasis. So on your quiz, you can use anything that is in your notebook, including that Exploring Homeostasis worksheet, as long as you remember to tape it into your notebook. So quizzes, notebooks are allowed during your quiz. Make sure that you have them out and are using them because they will be helpful. Your quiz today is 12 multiple choice questions and then one short answer about body systems. So take your quiz, take your time, do as best as you can. When you're done with this, you're going to turn it in. And then with the remaining time today, you are going to start preparing for your Unit 1 test, which is going to be next week, Tuesday. So all of our quizzes we've been able to use our notebooks on. The Unit 1 test you will not. However, you will have a resource that you can use during your test that you're going to start completing today. So the resource that you have, I printed them off. They're on the front table. It's the Unit 1 Living Systems Learning Target Self-Evaluation. So whatever you write on here, whatever you complete and fill in on your learning target sheet is yours to use during your test. So I just wanted to take a minute today and go through like how the learning target sheet is laid out and some things that you could put on there that will be helpful to you when you're taking your test next week, Tuesday. So learning target sheet, for this unit, you only have 3 learning targets. And you can see that the learning targets are listed there and then broken down into more specific language for you to then think about. So I'm going to go ahead and look at learning target 2 with you today as an example. So learning target 2 says, I can explain how multicellular organisms are arranged. This means I know the biological organization cell through organisms and can give examples. So that first learning target explanation, I want to put some proof in the proof box that I can reference when I'm taking my test. So biological organization cell through organisms means I know that it's arranged that cells are the smallest, and then cells are compiled into tissues. Tissues make organs. Organs make organ systems. And organ systems make the organism. And then it says, I can explain it and I can also give examples. So an organ system, an organ might be the heart. And the heart makes up the circulatory system. Nope, I can't spell, people. And the organism is a human. And the heart is made of muscle tissues. And muscle tissues are made of muscle cells. So having that little bit of proof on there, when I go to take my test on Tuesday and it's asking me about organization, smallest to largest, and I don't remember, I took the time to fill out my learning target sheet and I have it for my test. So anything you put on this learning target sheet is yours to use. What I don't recommend doing is trying to copy down all your notes out of your notebook into your learning target sheet, because that is going to be too much information for you to sift through and search through when you are taking your test. So go through the learning targets, read them, use your notebook to think about what are things that I can use that are going to help me during my test next week, Tuesday. So you guys have lots to do today, a quiz, and then your learning target sheet. And on Monday, we will go through learning target sheets, put more information on them, review as a class for your test on Tuesday. So sorry I couldn't be here today, but I will see you all on Monday. I hope you have a great weekend. Bye.